Lippincott, and welcome to the Diminished Scale, a Modern Jazz Guitar Approach, Part 2. Basically what I've done is gone through and found every three-note chord or structure in the diminished scale, and I've arranged them in a way that I think is systematic and logical and also pretty guitar friendly. So I'm pretty excited to present this material to you. So even though the first class primarily was concentrating on single note ideas, there will be plenty of single note ideas in this class as well. Even though we're dealing with three-note chords, of course, a three-note chord can always be arpeggiated, and so actually quite a few of the musical examples in today's class will also involve single note ideas. So it'll be about a 50-50 mixture between chordal kinds of ideas for either comping or harmonizing a melodic line and single note lines derived from these triads and other three-note structures. But just think of all the possibilities for that. This could be something to get the sound of F diminished. There's a little F diminished resolving to F major kind of sound. And that's pretty playable if I put them on 5th, 3rd, and 1st strings, and we'll also see that one coming up. This time I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to repeat the first note that I played. So I'll play the top note first, then the lowest, and the middle, and then repeat the top note again. So I end up getting a group of 4 notes. And then if I play that in 4/4 time, it really makes things go across the bar line. Example 69. 1, 2, 3, 4. Way up here on the 15th fret, F, D flat, and E, or 3rd root, sharp 9. Right? And then taking that down diatonically is next. Each one goes down a step in the scale. F goes to E, D flat goes to B, and E goes to D, and I get the shape of what turns out to be actually E7, no 3rd. This one would lend itself really well to sweep picking. Right? All up, all down. Next, example 83 takes a minor triad. In this case, I'm starting with E minor, and then pairing it with a diminished sus. In this case, A flat diminished sus. So I get 2 voices that move up and 1 voice that moves down. So that's an example of how you might use these triads in a sort of harmonizing a melody, that kind of context when you're improvising. And of course I tried to integrate the material that I used on the diminished scale stuff with the material from the non-diminished scale things and give a sense of continuity.